Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how the weather pattern library works. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, and click Add New. Once you're in the page editor, click the plus icon and choose the block you want to use. For example, if you select a weather card block, you'll see different weather vertical card templates. You can pick a template from here if you want, or you can use a ready-made pattern. To do that, simply click Ready Weather Patterns at the bottom of the block panel, or go to the Settings panel on the right. There, you'll see the Ready Patterns section. Just click on it, choose the pattern you like, and then click Import. The pattern will immediately appear on your page. Once the pattern is added, you can fully customize it. Change the layout, adjust the colors, edit the text, swap the icons, and make any other design changes you want so it fits perfectly with your layout. You can also add these ready patterns in another way. While you're in the page editor, simply click on the Weather Pattern Library at the top. Here, you'll find more than 50 ready-made patterns. Just choose the one you like, click Import, and it will be added directly to your page. After that, you can customize the pattern however you want. Adjust the layout, change colors, update the text, or modify icons to match your design perfectly. Once everything looks good, hit Publish. That's it. That's how the Weather Pattern Library works. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.